Ano yung naging dahilan? At kanino galing yung order para i-pull out yung ilan numbers of security details niya, particularly PNP, and then sabi nyo nga, yung sa PSG, nabawasan din ba base sa inyong investigasyon? Bakit nga po nangyari yon?
Yung sa
Anong nag-trigger noon?
Opo, yung sa 75, ang naalala ko po sa news, parang inilipat ho sila, Your Honor, sa Manila kasi mayroong issue ng kailangan nilang i-augment dahil may peace and order issue sa Manila. So yun ang nakita kong na nasa news na ginawa ng PNP o reason ng PNP bakit mayroong ganong pull out. Then nung nakita ko namin, ilan na lang yung natira sa Vice Presidente. Nung chinek ko namin yung news, yung per record ng COA, if I'm not mistaken, meron pa siyang 335 na security personnel.
So marami pang naiwan.
Yes po, Your Honor. And
Okay.
in fact, kung di ako nagkakamali, narinig ko po yung sinabi ni Honorable Boying Rimulya na yang bilang na yan, mas marami pa doon sa bilang ng mga security personnel ng presidente. So nakita ko namin na hindi siya sufficient para maging valid basis ng investigation. Hindi ko katulad dito sa threat against the president na apparent po yung utterances na nangyari.
Okay, dalawang katanungan na lamang, Mr. Witness. So, base sa inyong investigasyon at karanasan, ilan ba dapat ang security detail ng isang Vice President?
So, sorry po, Your Honor, wala po akong idea kung ilan
Okay.
po dapat yung...
Last na lamang. So, nung na-pull out yung ilan sa mga security personnel niya, sabi niyo nga 75, right? Sa PNP, and then meron pa atay sa PSG. Nagreklamo ba siya? Sa inyong pagkakaalam?
Doon sa November 26, Your Honor, I think ang isa sa issue niya na may threat sa security is yung paglipat ng BBSPG from attached unit ng AFP na maging under siya ng Presidential Security Command. Yun po yung narinig namin. Pero yun dito sa 75 personnel, insofar as I'm concerned, wala akong nakita sa reports sa news, sa social media na nagreklamo siya na nawala yung 75. Pero baka maliho ako, baka mayroon lang akong hindi nakita. Pero insofar as I'm concerned, wala akong nakita sa news na nagreklamo siya dun sa 75 transfer ng PNP personnel from BPSPG dinala dun sa Manila, Your Honor.
At hindi na siya nag-request ng augmentation o dagdag dun sa mga nawala na security detail?
Mukhang hindi na po, Your Honor. Wala ko kaming nalaman kung may ni-request ba siyang dagdag.
So is it possible na dahil doon sa pag-pull out ng security details, nasabi ko na kanina, tinatanong ko na again one more time, na yun probably ang tinitingnan na reasons ng mga sumusuporta sa kanya, siya or anybody sa circle niya na eto na siguro yon.
Tama po kayo, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Senator Judge Alan Cayetano, you have 2 minutes, sir. You may proceed when you're ready.
Sir Presiding Officer, dear colleagues, susundan ko lang po yung kay Senator Risa, Senator Judge Risa at Senator Judge JV at yung ibang nagtanong sa admission against interest. You stated this already, but just for the record, you viewed the whole video, right? The whole 2-hour video.
The November 23,
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
Yeah, isang beses, sir.
Isang beses lang.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And how many times there has the Vice President made admissions against her interest?
No, sir. Ang tinutukoy ko po ang admissions against interest doon sa November 26, sir.
No, sabi mo yung November 23 din na ayaw ng defense gamitin contracted, so yung kinausap is also an admission against her interest, di ba?
Di, sir. Ang sinasabi ko pong admissions against interest, yung November 26 video po, sir.
Na sinasabi niyang totoo yon at hindi niya
Yes,
sinasabi.
sir.
Okay.
Opo, sir.
So, doon sa November 23, may nakita ka doon na admissions against interest?
Insofar as I'm concerned, na nireiterate niya.
Hindi, not reiterate. Siguro, para malinaw, in your mind, or as a lawyer or as an NBI agent, what is an admission against interest?
Yun nga po, yung ini-explain ko po kanina. Ito po yung isang bagay na ginawa ng isang tao
Hindi ginawa, sinabi.
Sinabi
Kasi
ng,
it's admission eh.
sinabi ng isang tao na ikakasira niya, but then instead of denying na sinabi niya yon, inadmit pa niya ito, ni-reiterate
Okay,
niya.
very clear yon. And you and Agent John Mark Kalilong said that the basis of the investigation was the November 23 video, the basis sa inyong affidavit of investigation sa nag-file ng kaso is certain portions of the November 23 video.
As well as
So,
the November, as well as the
As well as
October 8.
other evidence. Okay.
Opo.
Sa November 23, ilan ang admission niya against interest?
Ang sinasabi ko pong admission against interest,
This
yung
is a new
November
question.
26.
This is a new question. If you evaluated well the November 23 video, is there any circumstance in that video that you believe that the Vice President made admissions against her interest?
Plain ho yung utterance niya doon, Your Honor. Yung nakita lang ho namin, yung utterances niya. Insofar as I'm concerned, yung admission against interest nangyari nung November 26.
Mr. Witness, sagutin niyo na lang ako. Lahat ng admissions are utterances.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Admissions is verbal. 'Di ba? Hindi to yung parang admission sa court. Pwede mo i-admit yung documentary evidence, pwede yung object evidence, pwede yung statements. When we talk about admissions against interest, especially in context of what we're talking about, may statement na laban sa interest niya.
Yes, sir.
So tinatanong ko, dun sa buong video, meron ka bang nakita? Wala. Yes or no lang yun, meron or wala. O meron at wala, hindi yes or no. Kayo nag-evaluate nun eh. Meron o wala? Admissions against her interest.
Yes, sir. The fact na in-utter niya yun.
O which one nga? So meron ilan at ano yun? A little leeway, Mr. Presiding Officer, kasi hindi natukoy masyado yung tanong.
Senator Judge Alan may proceed.
Yeah. So which statement that? That one you're mentioning now. So yung sagot mo, meron.
Ang understanding ko, sir, nung sinabi ko yan, I'm referring to the November 26, 2024.
Mr. Witness, paulit-ulit tayo.
Yes, sir.
Burahin mo na yung pinag-uusapan natin you're referring to. I'm asking you a direct question.
Yes,
Sa
sir.
November 23, meron o wala bang statements na you will consider in your professional as a lawyer and as an NBI agent in charge of investigating this? Meron ba siyang admissions against interest?
Ang tinutukoy ko lang po again, Your Honor, yung 26.
No, I don't care.
Wala po yung 23.
I'm sorry. I don't care, Mr. Presiding Officer, kung anong tinutukoy mo. I'm asking you a direct question. November 23, video. Meron o wala siyang admissions against her interest doon?
Attorney Lotok, yes, no, I do not know, I do not remember. We're referring to November 23, not 26.
I do not know, sir. Ang
you do not know.
ang nire-refer ko na...
Yeah, don't tell me na. So you do not know. Okay. When she said, kung papatayin ako, may kausap na ako, patayin niyo yung tatlo. Is that an admission against interest? Yes or no?
Based on that utterance, sir, yes, I think so.
Yes. O kakasabi mo lang kanina, I don't know. Ngayon, yes. O ano pa? Ano pa sa video na yon na admission against interest? Meron o wala? Or I don't know?
Yung utterances na yun, sir,
Sir, bukod nga doon.
to me, sir, yung utterances na yun, that's admission against
Sir,
interest.
klaro na yon. Tinanong ka na ng presiding officer, sagot mo, I don't know. Tinanong kita ng diretso na sa video, biglang you know, biglang sasabihin mo na yun utterance na yon. So ang tanong ko na ngayon, bukod doon, aside from that,
Sir, ulitin ko po yung sagot ko.
no, you don't need to answer.
Yung sinabi ko po na
No, I'm
admission
asking
against
you,
interest.
aside from the utterance, the statement, na kung papatayin nila ako, patayin sila, is there any other utterance during in that video that you would consider admission against
In so far
interest?
as I remember, wala na po yun.
Wala na, okay. When the Vice President said, yung pinamigay sa DepEd, isn't that an admission against her interest kung may pinamigay?
Siya po yung namigay, sir?
Ikaw ang nanood ng video, ikaw nag-evaluate. Ako pa magsasabi sa iyo kung ano laman ng video. Akala ko ba, tinignan nyo ng mabuti yung video. Bakit hindi mo alam yung laman ng video?
DSW, ano yun?